Hi, I'm Dr. Pooja Kothari and welcome to Secrets of Non-Topper Being Topper. Without any delay, let me introduce you to our next topper, that is Dr. Shweta Date, who has cracked NEET PG in her very first attempt. Hi Shweta,
Hi ma'am, good afternoon ma'am.
how does it feel to crack NEET PG in like very first go?
I'm feeling very happy, means it was my dream to crack, and my dream was to get into the government college. And I was in final year. That time you got posted in the Cooper College, and you posted your photo that your dream came true. And that time I understood that प्राइवेट कॉलेज से भी गवर्नमेंट में जाते हैं. तब तक मैं आई वॉज नॉट हैविंग दैट मेंटालिटी दैट प्राइवेट का प्राइवेट में ही रहता है, ऐसा लग रहा था. पर जब आपने पोस्ट किया तब आई अंडरस्टूड दैट वी कैन ऑल्सो डू द सेम.
बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा रहता है दैट देयर इज बैरियर, नो एक बैरियर रहता है कि प्राइवेट से गवर्नमेंट में कैसे जाए या फिर क्या करना चाहिए जो गवर्नमेंट में मिलेगा. हम प्राइवेट में पढ़ते हैं तो हमें गवर्नमेंट में मिलेगा कि नहीं, दैट इज ऑलवेज अ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच कम्स टू माइंड. You had Marrow?
Yes.
Since second year. Which plan of Marrow?
Plan second. Once that plan C was there.
Which include all?
All the things.
Yeah, videos, rapid revision series, MCQs and everything, modules and everything.
Yes.
Okay. So you started your preparation from, like, what time did you started your preparation? You entered MBBS and you started with MBBS first. And then when did you thought that I should start the preparation? At least I should start something, no? So when did you thought about it?
I studied for year to year, means I studied only for UT because this was the culture in our college that study till UT and then it was gone. And then फाइनल ईयर तक भी मैंने सिर्फ यूटी की ही पढ़ाई की थी एंड तक. और उसके बाद इंटर्नशिप स्टार्ट हुई. देन वन ऑफ आवर JR गाइडेड अस दैट यू कैन डू इट इन फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट. तो फिर तब से थोड़ा प्लान किया और फिर आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम इंटर्नशिप ओनली. आई गेव माई फर्स्ट डिटेल फ्रॉम इंटर्नशिप ओनली.
But you purchased Marrow in second year. Internship. Many of them has burnout. Postings change from time to time. So how was it? Like, how did you manage that part?
Basically, our internship started from April, and in April I was not autonomous which कौन सा source use करना है, ये सब मुझे confusion हो रहा था. People were saying, some were saying use PrepLadder, some were saying use DAMS. But since I was using Marrow from second year, means I had some conceptual memory of Marrow only. So I'd stick to that only one source for Marrow for all the subjects. Whether some subjects were good or bad, but I used the same source. And from May I started. In April I gave my first GT. I think it was 250 score, since it was very low.
So what was the first subject that you chose to study?
Biochemistry. I studied biochemistry for 10 days. I watched main videos of almost all subjects. Till November, I completed all the reading and I was giving GT simultaneously, 15 days. But my score was not improving. Means it was 300, 250, 350. So scores was not improving. तो फिर मैंने बहुत बार रेसिडेंट्स को भी पूछा था कि क्या करूं, बट माय रेसिडेंट्स ऑलवेज गाइडेड मी दैट एंडिंग यू विल गेट द स्कोर, जस्ट कीप ऑन गोइंग टिल द एंड.
So your first revision with all subjects, videos and everything completed in November, you're saying, right?
November, December first.
You completed that. And after that you started your revision. After November, did your score improve after first revision?
It was 350.
अच्छा, first read के बाद भी 350 था score. When did your score start improving then?
Then during the internship, means sometimes some postings were light, some were hectic. In our college, some postings, some departments are very hectic. So that time I was not able to study nicely. But during the OPD days, I was getting time. So slowly I started solving GTs, PYQs, because पहले मैंने FOMO ज़्यादा था कि ये पढ़ो वो पढ़ो. बाद में I focused on PYQ and then slowly my score started.
Being a freshman, it's really difficult to manage everything, like internship as well as your studies. घर का भी थोड़ा pressure रहता है, like everything. Overall, everything is in mind. कुछ functions है, somebody is going out, friends are going out. We should also go out with them. We should also.
attend any functions of my family.
Okay.
मतलब मैं भी थोड़ा था पर मैं गई ही कहाँ पे.
So you missed all of them. But you got the result of it, no, right?
And many a times I was getting very bad GT score, but I studied with my friend. I think his name needs to be mentioned, Dr. Amay. So I studied with him. He motivated me all the time. Until the last day also we studied together. Few things we used to discuss and that helped.
In internship, how did your day look like?
We had 12-hour shifts also. So during 12-hour shift तो सुबह 7 बजे जाना पड़ता था, 7 साढ़े 7 तक. तो फिर वो पूरा दिन OPD OT and then we used to get over at 11:30. तब पढ़ाई इतनी नहीं होती थी, but I was solving some MCQs. में जब भी अंदर OT चली होती थी, I was sitting outside and doing both the things simultaneously. But I was solving some MCQ. Sometime I was watching videos, and during light postings I was studying. मीन्स ड्यूरिंग ओपीडी आई वाज मतलब हमें पोस्टिंग में भी बहुत सीखने को मिलता है मतलब ड्यूरिंग माई मेडिसिन पोस्टिंग आई लर्न मेनी थिंग्स दैट डीके पेशेंट्स एंड ARDS मीन्स दैट concept got cleared during the postings only more.
We should not skip postings as well, right? They are also a part of our curriculum, and while people run behind only studies, skip internship in total, basically practical skills also matters, and that helps you in exam somewhere or the other.
Yeah.
In internship, what were your study hours?
Not more than 8 hours, never.
Okay, so depending upon the posting you used to study.
Yes.
फाइनल स्टडी जब स्टार्ट किया आफ्टर इंटर्नशिप यू हैड दैट 2 months gap, I guess 2 या 3 months gap, no? So when did you completed your, you said you completed your entire first revision till December. You started again the revision videos, and that was completed till
Started from 15 April.
15th April.
Then till 25 May, I completed entire syllabus.
Last May, what did you use as a basic platform source during your
Uh,
yeah
Marrow was my basic source first. Then I came to know about the BT.
like one secret technique that boosted your preparation?
I was very positive minded.
In the era of social media and Instagram, YouTube, we have a lot of distractions, no, during our preparation period. कि 5 मिनट फोन पे चले गए तो वो 5 minutes का 1 hour 2 hour 3 hours कब हो जाता है पता नहीं चलता है ना. तो वो टाइम पीरियड को कैसे लॉक किया?
Ma'am, basically I liked Instagram very much from starting only, so it was very hard for me to switch it off because I was continuously watching the.
Suppose you have to prepare entire syllabus in last 3 months. किसी ने कुछ भी नहीं किया है अभी तक और लास्ट 3 महीने बचे हैं प्रिपरेशन के लिए, तो क्या स्ट्रेटेजी होना चाहिए प्रिपरेशन का?
I think पहले तो एक बार RR अच्छे से we should watch the video, then solve the PYQs. Means this exam was more PYQ based, but it is not true that हर exam में PYQ आएंगे तो फिर base भी strong करना पड़ेगा. जैसे like Zainab ma'am told that this exam was PYQ, but last year 2024 second shift was more basic oriented. So from PYQs we can make our basics strong and it will come.
Your toughest subject to prepare and how did you tackle it?
First, it was medicine only. But I used BTR and during postings also I learned, so it got very easy. After December Jan medicine मतलब मैंने बाद में ऐसे medicine was just then cake walk for me.
तो मेडिसिन के लिए कौन से वीडियोस रेफर किए थे? मैरो ही किया था कि कोई और सोर्स से किया मेडिसिन?
BTR integrated entire nicely acted.
अच्छा, so for medicine you used Cerebellum app, right? BTR,
yes.
Dr. Zainab Bora. Again, I am her biggest fan. I can totally relate to everybody who says that we
She
did.
always motivates and it was very nice.
Yeah. True that she is the best. Okay, and for medicine, like you did only BTRs. From that you got entire syllabus covered
Yes.
of medicine.
Yes, I saw it PYQ just.
One line mantra that you would give aspirants who are losing hope right now and think that it is not possible to crack NEET PG in first attempt, or to crack from private to government, it is difficult. So the people who are losing hope in this process, what would you like to say to them?
One proverb I want to tell because I always followed it, that tough times don't last too much, but tough people always last.
Doing one thing like in 3 months you can cover entire syllabus, but if you do from start, so one day each hour is also sufficient if you do it with full concentration and full attention.
Yes.
So you can crack it,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Shweta. This was nice interview with you, and maybe that from your interview many of them get motivated and think their journey that we can also do. If she can do, we can do. Now here is one more trick that we are playing a ranker rapid fire. You have to answer in one word. Okay, whatever comes to your mind, straightly you have to answer it. Easiest subject,
OBGY.
most difficult,
Medicine was tough, but now not thinking.
one resource that you swear by.
Marrow.
Okay.
Because I was following it since second year.
Okay, great. Your tea, coffee or energy drink person?
Tea.
Tea person. MCQs or notes?
MCQs. What?
Your morning study person or night owl?
Means morning.
Right.
I can study at night also. Means it was not morning.
No. One mistake that you would never repeat again.
I think means just don't do self-doubt for yourself that I will not able to do. Means negative thinking and I will not able to do. So just have your faith in yourself that you will do okay. So
Right.
many a times people who are preparing is think that I will not get marks, I will not get. But you should make yourself that I deserve it. So that is
Nice. Hours of sleep? How many hours of sleep?
6 to 7. And I need to sleep at afternoon 1 hour. That was my bad thing.
It's not bad. It's time nap, no? That you take a nap and you revive again. You gain all the energy and you focus it again. So instead of sitting and sleeping over the books or over the videos and you don't gain anything, it's better you go and sleep for 1 hour and come back, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
One word that defines your journey.
Hard work.
Absolutely. Without hard work, dedication, and consistency, this all is impossible, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, very nice, very nice. Thank you for playing along, Shweta. It was really nice having you over this interview, and I hope you motivate a lot of people here.
Ma'am, your videos are so motivating, ma'am. You always post something on Insta, and that is really very much motivating.
Thank you so much. This was very nice to talk to you. Chalo, see you. Bye bye. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Chalo, all the best, Shweta.